In this class we will discuss about second order differential equations. Okay, okay. What is differential equation?
The differential equation is an equation which involves derivatives.
Okay. Okay. What is order of the differential equation?
Various derivatives present in a differential equation is called order of the differential equation.
Okay. Now listen. Our topic is second order ordinary differential equation. We have two types of differential equation. First one is ordinary differential equation. Second one is partial differential equation. Okay, ordinary differential equation. If one independent variable present in a differential equation is called ordinary differential equation. For example, f of x equal to y. Right?
Yes, sir.
X is an independent variable. Y is a dependent variable. In this example, x is only one independent variable. So this equation is called ordinary differential equation. In case f of x comma y, here we have two independent variables. So we use partial derivatives. Okay, our topic is second order differential equation. The general form of ordinary differential equation is d square y by dx square plus p into dy by dx plus qy equal to some r. Right? Here the highest derivative is 2. So this is second order differential equation. Right? Okay. In this example, p and q are constants. Okay? Are constant or function of x. Function of x may be cos x or e power x. Okay, this is the general form of differential equation. D square by d square is an operator. P is a constant. Dy by dx also operator. Q is a constant. Y is a variable which is equal to r. R is a constant or function of x. Function of x may be e power x or cos x or sin x, etc. Okay, clear out? Next is solution of the differential equation. How to find the solution for the second order differential equation? Okay, we have three steps. First one is complementary function. Complementary function. Second one is particular derivative. Third one is general solution. General solution is nothing but complementary function plus particular derivative. I explained some examples. For example, d square by dx square plus 8 dy by dx sum y equal to e power x. Okay? Just replace d by dx by capital D. That is d square y plus 8 dy plus y equal to e power x. Here, in left hand side, y is a common term. Clear? So take y as a common term. So d square plus 8d plus 1 into y equal to e power x. Here, next, how to find complementary function? If you solve the bracket value, we get the solution complementary function. If we solve right hand side e power x, we get the solution particular derivative. Finally, general solution is nothing but complementary function plus particular derivative. Okay, and the question is find the complementary function. Find CF for the equation d square minus 5d plus 6 into y equal to 0. Okay, replace d by m, that is m square minus 5m plus 6 equals to 0. This is quadratic equation, right? Okay. How to solve the quadratic equation? We have two types. First one is factorization. Second one is we have formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. இப்போ okay tell me what is correct solution?
Sir, we have to choose two numbers, sir. Multiplication of the two number will be a constant. Sum of the two number will be a coefficient of n.
Now this equation, what is the root? M square minus 5m plus 6.
M minus 3, m minus 2 is equal to 0.
And
M minus 2 is equal to 0.
This is correct. So the roots are m equal to 3 and 2 m equal to 2. Yeah. So these are the roots. So roots are real number and different. So first condition, if the roots are same, in case both roots are same, we have obtained second condition. If roots are imaginary, for example 2 plus or minus 3, that is what third condition. Okay. First type of solution equation is the roots are real and different, then solution will be CF equal to A into e power m1x plus b into e power m2x. Our answer is first m value 3, second m value 2. So replace m1 by 3 and m2 by 2. So the final answer A into e power 3x plus b into e power 2x. Okay. In case roots are same, the solution will be
CF
C equal to
A e power
sorry
A into e power
a plus bx into e power mx. Okay, solutions are same now. M1 and M2 also same. For example, M1 equal to 3 and M2 also 3. So replace M by 3 is equal to a plus bx into e power 3x.
Yes, sir.
Next is third way. Roots are imaginary. For example, 3 plus 5. Okay, for this type of root, CF is e power mx e power. For this type of root, the solution is e power alpha x into a cos beta x plus b sin beta x. Right? Here, alpha value is 3, beta value is 5. Just replace alpha and beta value. So my answer will be e power 3x into a cos 5x plus b sin 5x.
Yes, sir.
So we have three type of solutions. First one is roots are real and different. Second one is roots are